Hello friends, welcome to Anis Academy. Today we are going to learn tricks to calculate cube. Okay, so let's get started. So here in this tricks to calculate cube, we will be learning to calculate cube of any number between 11 to 100. Okay, so these numbers are divided into four types. Okay, I will write all the four types and I will solve let's say one or two examples from each type, and I will explain you how you can calculate the cube of any number very quickly. Okay, so in each type only the first step is different, friends. Okay, you need to learn it, otherwise the second and third steps remains the same in each type. Okay, so let's start this. So first we have is type 1. Okay, in type 1 we will be having the numbers which starts with 1. Okay, so the numbers are, for example, 12, 13, 14. Okay, or any such number which starts with 1. Okay, now the next type is, which is type 2. The numbers which ends with 1. Okay, so it will be like this: 21, 31, 41. Okay, these are the numbers which ends with 1, comes in type 2. Coming to the next type, we have type 3. In type 3 we will be having the numbers which will have same digits. Okay, so for example 22, 33, 44. Okay, these are the numbers you can see both at unit place and tens place, same digit is there. So these type of numbers comes in type 3. Now we have fourth and last type, and in all these four types we will cover all the numbers which comes between 11 to 100. Okay, so in type 4 you can see all those numbers which does not fall in any of these type will be here. So for example, if I take 23, the different digits, neither starts with 1 nor it ends with with 1, or the digits are also not similar. So like this example, 23, 24, let's say 56, 67. Okay, all these type of numbers, okay, which will come in type 4. Now let us see how to find quickly, the cube of type 1 numbers. Okay, so I'll be doing it little slowly to explain you, but once you practice this, very easily you can find it within 2 to 3, or let's say 5 to 7 seconds maximum. You can calculate the cube. Otherwise, with the traditional method, if you do, for example, 12, so 12 into 12 into 12, if you do 3 times, it will give you the correct answer, but you will have more time. It will take more time. So now type 1 we will solve, T1. Okay, so 12 cube I am going to calculate. So in type 1, what do we do for each of these? We have to write the cube in a 4-digit form here, like this. Okay, now since we discussed in type 1 the numbers starts with 1, right? So you can see number starting with 1, so we have to, wherever 1, we will start calculating, okay, or putting these values from that side. So you can see the number 1 is in left side, so we will start from left side. Okay, so what we have to do is, in this first digit you write it like this in a 4-digit format. In the first place we will write 1 here. Okay, in the second place we will write the second digit, which is 2. Okay, now for the third place, what are we going to do is, we will write this 2 square here. Okay, so which is 4, and for this place we will be writing 2 cube. Okay, this is important. So 2 cube is 8. So now similarly, if you are to calculate any any digit of type 1, you can do like this. first place 1, second place the second digit, third place square of the second digit, and fourth place cube of the second digit. Now once we have filled this, what you have to do is leave the first and the last digit, okay, and for second and third digit, whatever is the digit given above, we have to double it up and write it down, okay, for addition. So double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 16, okay, no sorry, double of 4 is 8. I just did 4 into 4. Double of 4 is 8. Now we will add these numbers, okay, and upon addition you can see this becomes 8, this becomes 4 plus 8 is 12. So when it comes 12, we will write only 2, 1 will be carry forwarded, okay, and carry forward 1, right? So now 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 7, and here 1. So 1728 is the cube of 12, okay. Now let us solve another example, friends. We will take 14, okay, in the next example. So I'll rub this out. So from type 1, I'm solving another example, calculating the cube of 14. Same way, 4 digits, okay. Now for the first digit, I will write the first number, second digit, I will write the second number, 4. For the third digit, I have to do is square of 4. So square of 4 is 16, and for the last digit, you have to do cube of 4. So cube of 4 is 64, okay. Now leave the first and last digit. We will do the doubling of the digits here. So double of 4 is 8, double of 16 is 32, okay. Let's do the addition. So here we will get, last problem we were having one single digit here. Now here we have double digit, so we will not write double digit, we will take only single digit, 4. What about 6? 6 will go here as a carry forward, so 6 will come here, okay. Now we can add, okay. So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 14. So for 14 again we will write 4. 1 is carry forward, right? So 1 we will write here. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 will come here. Only single digit we will write. Next digits will be carry forwarded to the other. So here 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 8 is 17. So we'll write here 7, and 1 is carry forward. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So we got the answer. So this is 14 cube is equal to 2744. Okay friends, hope this is clear. Now we will solve problems from type 2. Okay, so I'll erase this here. This is type 2. In type 2 we have these numbers 21, 31, 41. So basically the idea is like the number ends at 1. So for 21, okay, so same steps, 4 digits we will take. Now what we have to do is, in the previous one, type 1 was at the starting, so we used to start from here filling up these digits, right? Now here 1 is at the end, okay, or we can say it is at the right side, no? So we will start from right side filling up. So 1 is here, so we will write 1 here. Only this is the change in type 1 and type 2. Rest everything is same. Okay, starting. Type 1 will start from left side, type 2 will start from right side. So 1, and then second digit will write 2 here. Okay, same digits. Now for this third digit, square of 2. Okay, we can say square of 2. So square of 2 is 4. Okay, and for the last place, cube of 2, which is 8. Okay, so we have filled up this, isn't it? So now what we have to do is leaving up the first and last digit, and you have to do the doubling of these digits. So double of 2 is 4, double of 4 is 8. Now let's add this. So 1 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2, 1 carry forward which will come here, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, so 9261 is the cube of 21. So quickly we have calculated. Okay, now let us solve another example. Okay, for this type 2. So another example, if I take this digit 31. So for 31 also, this maybe I can do little fast. So 1 here, 3 here. Okay, 3 square is 9. Okay, now 3 cube is 27. Fine. Now leave the first and last. Double of 3 is 6. Double of 9 is 18. Now let's just add it. 1 here. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now 8 plus 9 is 17. So 7. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 will come here. And 7 plus 2 is 9. 2. So 31 cube is equal to 29791. Okay. This is the 31 cube. So we have done with type 1 and type 2. Now we will be doing type 3. In type 3, what is there? The same digit is repeating. Okay, all these numbers which has same digits. Fine. So let's take the first number 22. So here also we have to do 4-digit format. In this, what we have to do is, digits are same, so take any one digit. So we'll take 2, right? Both are 2 only. So you have to do the cube of 2 and write it at each place. Okay, as I told you in the beginning, friends, that only the first step will differ. Other steps are same in all the types. So cube of 2 we have to write here. Cube of 2 is 8. So I will write 8 here, all the 4 places. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we will leave the first and last place. Okay, same steps. Now double of 8 is 16. Double of 8 is 16. Once again, let's add it off. So 8 will come as it is. Now 16 plus 8, or you can say 8 plus 6 also. Okay, let's do it. 8 plus 6 is 14. For 14 we will write 4. 1 carry forward, right? So this 1 plus this 1 is 2. 2 will come here as a carry forward. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 16 is, I'm adding it as a whole. Okay, you can add it as a whole also and write the first digit here, and the remaining will be carry forward. So 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 16 is 26. 26 we will write only 6 and 2 will go as a carry forward. Now 8 plus 2 is 10. So this is 22 cube is equal to 10648. This is the answer. Now let us solve another problem in this type 3. Okay, so in this type 3, another problem is, let's take 33. Okay, so write it in the 4-digit format. 3 cube. Okay, we have to write the cube of 3 in all the 4 places. So cube of 3 is 27. 27, 27, 27, 27. First and last digit we will leave it off. Then double of 27. Okay, so double of 27 is 54, and here also 54. Now just add these numbers. So only one digit will come, as I told you previous also. So what about 2? 2 will go here as a carry forward. Okay, so now 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, so 3, 1 carry forward will come here. So here 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 8 will come here as a carry forward. We will write only, after adding we will write one digit only. Other digits will go to the carry forward. Okay, so now here you can see 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. So for 19 we will write 9. 1 is a carry forward. Now you can add 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 will come here as a carry forward, and then we can add 27 plus 8. So 27 plus 8 will become how much, friends? It will become 35. Okay, so this is 33 cube is equal to 35937. Okay, this is the answer. So hope you have understood type 3 also. Just take one number, okay, because it is same digits, right? Take any number, do the cube of that number, write it at all 4 places, first and last. We will not do anything, double of that number and just do the addition. So I'm solving many examples so that you can understand how the addition also happens. Now we have come to the last type, which is type 4. In type 4 you can see, friends, here we have different types of digits, means all other digits which does not fall here will come in type 4. So 23, you can see the first number is 23. So 4-digit format here also, but how to fill this is different, here also in the, like I told you, the first step only is different. So what we have to do here is, you have to see very clearly the 2, right? First number is 2 and second number is 3. So 2 will come here and 3 will come here, but not directly 2 and 3. What we have to do is cube of 2 we will write here. Cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 3 we will write here. So cube of 3 is 27. Okay, clear? Cube of 2 and cube of 3. Now how to fill these two places? So this also I will tell you. Here 2 is there, right? So for filling up this place, what we are going to do is, whatever is the digit here, you have to do the square of that digit multiplied with the second digit. So square of 2 multiplied with 3, which is 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied 3 is 12. And same thing we have to do here also. 3 digit is 3, right? So square of 3 multiplied with 2 we will do. Okay, so see here 3, right? So 3 square multiplied with 2. So 3 square is 9. 9 into 2 is 18. So we have filled up, isn't it? All the 4 places. Now we will do the same steps which we have been following. First and last is no need to do anything. We will write the double of these numbers here down. So 12 double is 24. Then 18 double. What is the 18 double, friends? 36. Okay. Now let's add these numbers. So for adding, I told we'll write just one digit, 7. 2 will come here. Okay, as a carry forward, this 2. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So we'll write 6 here. And then 1 will go as a carry forward. So I'll write here 1. And 3, 4, 5. So 5 here carry forward. Now 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1 and 1 carry forward. Now you can see here 2, 3, 4. Right? Upon adding this it comes 4. So 4 will come here as a carry forward. Now 8 plus 4 is 12. Okay. So how quickly you can write this and then add, that much quick you can calculate the cube. So 23 cube we have calculated here, 12167. Let us solve one more example, okay, so that it will become even more clear. So now I'll erase 23. I will write here 24. Let's see the next number. So 4-digit format. Now for the first digit we will write here cube of 2. Okay, and here we will write 4. We will write cube of 4. Fine. So now we know cube of 2 is 8 and cube of 4 is 64. Fine. And for this place, what are we going to do is 2 square multiplied with 4. Okay, so when you do 2a square, 2a square is 4, 4 into 4 is 16. Fine. And for this place here, we will be doing 4 square multiplied with 2. Since it is 4, so 4 square multiplied with next digit is 2, so we will do 2. Okay, so 4 square is 16 and 16 into 2 is 32. So here I will write 32. Fine. Now we will leave the first and last digit sorry, and we will do the doubling of these two numbers. So double of 16 is 32, double of 32 is 64, and let's add these numbers. So 4 will come as it is, 6 will come here as a carry forward. So 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, so 2, 1 carry forward. Now 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 10 here will come as a carry forward because we have already written 2 for this number. Okay, now if you add 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 5. So 5 will come here as a carry forward, and 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, so this is your cube of 13824 is the cube of 24. Fine. So with this we have completed two problems from each type, and if you practice more, you will be very quickly able to calculate the cube of any number given between 11 to 100. Okay, thank you very much, friends. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and you can give me feedback through the comments and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.